Do you ever feel like self-doubt is holding you back, like there's this incredible, capable person inside you just bursting to break free, but that little voice of fear keeps whispering, what if you fail? Listen, we all have that voice, but here's the thing, you don't have to let it control you. In today's video, I'm going to share 10 practical, actionable steps to build unshakable self-confidence in 2024. We're going to shut that voice down and unleash the most confident version of you. Let's start your journey to becoming the best version of yourself. The first step to building real confidence isn't about faking it till you make it. It's about getting real with yourself. Grab a journal, and I mean it, right now, pause this video and go get one. I want you to write down your strengths, your talents, the things you've accomplished, big or small. What are you naturally good at? What makes you unique? This isn't bragging, this is about self-awareness. When that voice of self-doubt starts to creep in, you're going to open this journal and remind yourself of how amazing you truly are. Confidence starts with appreciating who you are. Okay, we're done with feeling sorry for ourselves, it's time to build some momentum. Confidence grows with each success, but those successes don't have to be huge, life-altering events. Start small. What's one thing, one tiny thing, you can accomplish today? Write it down. Now go do it. Did you do it? I knew you could. Celebrate every single win, no matter how small. Each checked box on your to-do list, each goal you crush, is a deposit in your confidence bank. Here's the thing about comfort zones. They feel safe, but they don't let you grow. If you want unshakable self-confidence, you've got to be willing to get a little uncomfortable. Try something that scares you, something you've always wanted to do, but that voice told you you can't. Sign up for that public speaking class, learn a new language, go on that date. The more you challenge yourself, the more you realize you are capable of anything. And that, my friend, is where true confidence comes from. Chapter 4. Practice positive self-talk. That voice in your head? It's time to change the record. Pay attention to what you're saying to yourself. Are you your own worst critic? From now on, we're flipping the script. Replace negative self-talk with empowering affirmations. Instead of I can't do this, try I'm gonna give this my best shot. Instead of I'm not good enough, how about I am worthy and capable? Your words have power. Choose them wisely. Chapter 5. Focus on body language. You know that feeling when you stand tall, shoulders back, head held high? That's not just you looking confident, that's you feeling confident. Our body language doesn't just reflect how we feel, it actually influences our emotions. So, fake it till you make it. Stand up straight, make eye contact, smile at people. These small changes can have a huge impact on your self-perception. You'll be amazed at how much more confident you feel just by changing your posture. Chapter 6. Learn continuously. Knowledge is power, right? The more you know, the more confident you'll feel in any situation. Make learning a lifelong habit. Read books, listen to podcasts, take online courses. Whatever interests you, dive in. Become an expert in something, anything. When you're constantly expanding your knowledge and skills, you naturally develop a sense of competence and self-assurance. Chapter 7. Surround yourself with positivity. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Think about that for a second. Are the people around you lifting you up or dragging you down? Surround yourself with positive, supportive people who believe in you. Limit your exposure to negativity and drama. A positive and encouraging environment is crucial for building self-confidence. Remember, you deserve to be surrounded by people who make you feel good about yourself. Here's a little secret. Everyone makes mistakes. Everyone. The difference is, confident people don't let their mistakes define them. Instead of beating yourself up when you mess up, view it as a learning opportunity. What can you learn from this experience? How can you do better next time? Failure is a stepping stone to success, not a reflection of your worth. Okay, this might seem superficial, but trust me on this one. When you look good, you feel good. Taking care of your appearance isn't about vanity, it's about self-respect. Dress in a way that makes you feel confident and put together. Pay attention to your grooming. When you feel good about how you look, it positively impacts your self-image and how you carry yourself. This last one is so simple, yet so powerful. Take time every day to appreciate the good things in your life, no matter how small. Write down 3 things you're grateful for. It could be your health, your family, a sunny day, a delicious cup of coffee. Gratitude shifts your focus from what you lack to what you have, and that shift in perspective can do wonders for your self-confidence. Listen, building unshakable self-confidence isn't about some magical overnight transformation. It's about taking small, consistent actions every single day. Start implementing these tips today, one step at a time, and I promise you, you will see a transformation in no time. What's your favorite confidence-building strategy? Share it with me in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on more inspiring content like this. See you in the next video.